Good morning, students. Welcome to our GK Jain School, a unique school known for its online education and classes. Good morning, students. I am Shweta Jain from GK Jain School, Royapuram. If you like our video, please click on the like button and subscribe our school GK Jain School. If you subscribe our school, the videos will be updated in your YouTube on the screen. You need not have to shuffle it out. Thank you, students. Today our topic is the supplementary reader, 6th standard, the apple tree and the farmer. What is the story of the apple tree and the farmer? Okay, farmer. From the word farmer, you can know that farmer word means used to farm. Farm means cultivate fruits, vegetables, grains, all like that. We are getting rice, spices, fruits, vegetables from our farmers, right? So what is meant by farmer? The farmer who cultivates, who plough lands and gives us fruits, vegetables, grains, spices. Here the farmer was sharing a story with an apple tree. He had good memories with an apple tree that we will learn in this story. Students, see, you will get a small paragraphs and you have to find the answers from the paragraph and you have to write down. So today I am going to practice you a small paragraph. From that, how you have to write the questions, how you have to find the answers for those questions. Is it clear? Okay, let's start with our topic, the apple tree and the farmer. I'll read the small passage for you. Okay, start. See. The apple tree and the farmer. The boy ate the juicy apple. What the boy did? The boy ate the juicy apple. The memories of the fun when he was a boy. The memories of the fun when he was a boy rushing back. When his daughter saw the expression of her father, she started pleading. Is it clear now? See. What is this paragraph? That a small paragraphs will come in your exam and you have to find out the answer from this para. So you have to start your para reading with full concentration. Okay? See. What is our first question? What did the farmer notice? What did the farmer notice? Here see, the farmer noticed that when he was a boy, he used to eat the juicy apples. What the farmer was saying? When I was a boy, I used to eat a juicy apple, right? So what is the answer? The farmer noticed that he ate the juicy apple. This is our first answer. Is it clear? Okay. Second question. What made him recall childhood? What made him recall childhood? Him means a boy, gender. Boy means the farmer. Him we say, he means boy, him means farmer, right? So, what made him recall childhood? See, we will also recall our childhood days, no? When we used to about 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, we used to play like this. We used to play with the marbles. We used to play. We used to drive like that. So the farmer was recalling his childhood that I was having the fun with his friends. The farmer used to have fun under the apple tree. What? Because apple tree means they give a shade. So the apple tree gives a shade and the farmer recalling his childhood. That during the apple tree we used to play under the apple tree, we used to swing in the apple tree, we used to eat juicy apples. Okay. So what is our second answer? The memories of the fun. What made him recall the childhood? The apple and the memories of the fun used to be recalled childhood. Very good. What made the word used for recalling memories? What is our third question? What the word? See, what is the word used here for recalling memories? The word used here for recalling memories is rushing back. What the word used here for recalling memories? Rushing back. So what is this used to recall the memory? So what you should write? Rushing back. What is the memory you used here for recalling rushing back? See, two more questions I can form for you that you can understand easily. Okay, is it clear? 1 minute. See students, two more questions I bring for you. Actually, in the starting you will get 3 questions, 4 questions like that. But when you goes to further classes, higher classes, you can have 5 and 6 questions. Okay, let's start. What is our fourth question? What made daughter plead her father? What made daughter plead her father? See, because when his daughter saw the expression of her father, she started pleading. Means expressions of the father recollecting his childhood days made him plead. That what happened? Your expressions are like this. What say to me? Share to me. Sometimes when your mother used to see back photos, old photos, your parents used to see old pics when you are so small. They used to recollect some memories, that when you are small, your mother used to do like this. When you are small, you are used to like this. So you have to say like that. So they started recalling the childhood memories. What is our last question? What is meaning of pleading and expression? What is the meaning of pleading? Pleading means request. What he is doing, pleading means request. He is requesting his father to share the story with me. And what is expression here? Expression of joy, cheerful, happiness of his childhood. What is the expression? Expression of joy, happiness and cheerful. So this is our story. Read the passages and from this passage you have to answer the questions. It is really an easy task, but you have to learn and you have to concentrate and you have to find out. Okay? If you like our video, click on the like button and subscribe our school. See you in our next videos. Thank you.